Hey, what's up guys? It's John here, finally back with another video. Sorry, it's been way too long since I last uploaded. I really apologize for that. I just had a lot of other things going on, not a whole lot of time to make videos. Really not a whole lot I haven't been really working on the trucks at all either, so you haven't missed much. So yeah, this video is going to be a quick update on what's going on. Get you guys caught up real quick, what's going on with me, what's going on with the channel. And just get you guys updated real quick. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible. Don't want to make it too long. It's not going to be real too exciting. Don't want to make it long, drawn out, and boring. So, you know. Yeah, since I last uploaded, I've had got quite a few more subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. Really like to try to grow this channel. So, and I really appreciate every single subscriber. So, going to really try to put some effort into it, get some better videos out for you guys, and try to get more videos out. You know, obviously I haven't really been uploading at all, so anything's better than what I have been doing. But you know, so getting one now. But yeah, I'd like to be around. If I could upload every week, that'd be great. If more than that, that'd be great. I probably won't ever get to uploading every day. I just right now I got some time, but you know, in the summertime when I'm working, don't know how much time I'm going to have to work on the truck, so, you know, if I could at least do it once a week, that'd be nice, I think. As you guys know, I was in school. I was going to Kent State for construction management, so it took up a lot of my time in the spring, and then after the spring semester, I decided to take some summer classes. And as I was going in the first couple weeks of the summer classes, you know, I was working at the same time, just kind of almost got overwhelmed. It really had been kind of building up over the past year. I wasn't really liking school, wasn't liking my major, couldn't really stay focused on it, wasn't dedicated to it. You know, it took me a while, but I just finally came to the realization the school really wasn't for me, it wasn't really what I wanted to do. So I decided to no longer continue with school, so I'm not in school anymore. You know, I just didn't want to waste any more time or money doing something I didn't want to do. So really a lot happier now that I'm not in school. Frees up a lot of time, and you know, I just want to got a lot more free time. Just kind of want to focus on getting stuff done. You know, focus on what I want to do and getting stuff done that I need to get done. So I'm gonna focus on that for now. Yeah, and then in the summer, I'm real busy with work. Takes up a lot of my time there. Work with my dad and grandpa. My grandpa has a construction company. We do concrete road work. So real busy with that in the summertime. Right now, you know, it's seasonal work. You know, we don't work in the winter. You know, you can't do a whole lot on the road in the winter. So, so I'm not working right now. So right now I got a lot of time, a lot of free time. You know, so hopefully getting a lot of stuff done, working on the trucks, and so should be able to hoping to get going here within a week or two on the trucks. Really get moving. So hopefully I'll have a lot more videos coming out. You know, if I'm consistently working on the trucks, you know, should have quite a few uploads. You know, then in the summer I might slow down in the summertime depending on what I'm doing. Don't know how. Like I said, don't know how much time I'm gonna have to work on the trucks. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I really like to try to grow the channel. Really got some big goals for it. I want to try to get more subscribers, get some better videos and more videos. So really look forward to that, and keep watching, keep subscribing, and hopefully I can keep getting out some good content to you guys. So yeah, also I'm thinking about I'll probably end up changing the channel name, just to something that's a little more fits what the channel's about more. The current name is Red Devil 46088, and that was inspired from my dad's first truck. It's 1988, which is where the 88 comes from, and it's a 250 regular cab long bed. He bought it brand new in '88, and with the 460 in it. That's where the 460 comes from. So he bought it brand new. He still got it, and you know, back in the '90s, you know, he actually started building up to be a show truck. All custom paint, everything's painted, all, you know, suspension, it's really done up, it's lifted and everything. So, you know, and when I first started the channel, I was actually thinking about and kind of working on it a bit, fixing it up to drive it. This needs a few little things. He never got a chance to finish it, so it just kind of needs finished up and whatnot and make it drivable. But then I was working on it, and then I got to thinking, I'm like, man, this thing, I mean, it's a show truck. It's really nice. I don't really want to be driving it every day and driving it to high school, how the high school drivers are. And, so, I was working on for it to be my first truck, but I just decided it wasn't the best idea. I can't drive it in the winter. So I decided to stop with that. It's, as you can, it's back there. Let's see here if we can get it to focus and not focus on me. Back there under the cover. It's been sitting for it's been probably sitting for 25 years. It has not. I don't think it's been on the road in 25 years. So been sitting a long time. One day I'd definitely like to get working on it again. Just don't have the time or money, and don't really. Got some other projects I want to get taken care of first before I work on that. So, but someday, so look forward to that. If anybody wants to see anything on that, let me know. If you want me to do a quick video on it or something, let me know. It's really a cool truck. Where the Red Devil came from was that's what he called the truck, was kind of its name, he called it the Red Devil. So that's where the name came from. But I'll probably be changing that up, so don't be surprised if you see that. So yeah, I think that's about it update wise. Just gonna get you guys updated real quick on what's going on. Hopefully have some more videos coming out. Really, like I said, really want to try to grow the channel, so I'm gonna try to put some effort into it and get some videos out there for you guys. So what you guys have probably been waiting for, as you saw in the title, I got a new truck. So let's go check it out. And boom, there it is. It is a 2018 F-150 Super Crew 5.5 foot bed. It's an XLT Sport Special Edition package. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost. So that Special Edition package gives it you got the smoked out headlights, the different grille, and then of course you got the black vinyl graphics. You got the 20-inch wheels. Got the little red accent on the emblem there. That's really what the Special Edition package gives you. I'm really liking this truck so far. I only got it a couple, like 2-3 weeks ago, so I haven't been driving it a whole lot. Yeah, I haven't driven it too much yet. Really liking it so far. Man, I love how this thing looks. I love that black and white. Really happy with it so far. So yeah, let's check out the interior. Got the black interior. Really like the black interior. Cloth seats. I'm a fan of the cloth seats. The Sport, so the Special Edition gives you these red accents in here. That's about the only difference on the inside, really. Power seats. It's got the 302A package, fully loaded. It's only missing a few small things. Obviously all power rear windows. Got all power windows. Got the power sliding rear window. Very nice. Really like it. Just a really nice truck. These new trucks are awesome. I'm a big fan, at least. Go to the back. Tell you what, man, these new cabs are huge. Lots of room back here. Already got the WeatherTech floor mats in here. Got some power points back here. Just really nice overall. 3.5 is very nice. It's got some power. I mean, the thing moves, I'm telling you. I mean, my old 7.3, man, it blows a 7.3 away. I mean, this thing's way faster. It's a lease, so I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot to it. Decided to go with the lease just cause you get the lease, you get the new truck with not the high payments of buying one. You got the warranty, you don't have to worry about it. In 3 years, got the 3-year lease. then you get a new one or you get rid of it. You don't have to worry about it. I was just really looking for something, wanted something new, something reliable. Didn't have to work on it. Hopefully don't have to work on it as much. It's something I don't have to worry about. I can just drive and not have to worry about working on it or worrying about if it's going to break down or anything. Hopefully, no guarantees, but it is new, so hopefully it's good to go. So I decided the 150 would be the best bet versus trying to maybe buy, an older truck and a cheap older truck and work, just didn't want to have to worry about working on it. So I gave you guys a pretty good overview. If you want to see anything more in depth on this, let me know. I think I pretty much covered it all. So there's the new truck, new 150. Something new to the channel. But yeah. So where's the 7.3? Do I still have it? I don't know. Let's find out. So is it in here? Nope. Just that POS. Yeah, still got this thing. Unfortunately. Like I said, didn't have a whole lot of time to work on it, so nothing's really changed with it. Haven't done too much. Really hoping in the next week or two. See, the interior's still out of it. Really hoping in the next week or two to get moving on it. I bought this one to fix it and sell it, so really got to get moving on it. I had it way too long. But yeah, so expect some videos on this in the next week or two. Still looking for the 7.3. Let's see what we got over here. Ooh, got the 6.0 over here. There we go. Yep, still got this too. Haven't been driving it a whole lot. Well, I haven't been driving it at all, really. It's been parked for the most part. It's got a few things that kind of make it undrivable, almost. It's got a real bad power steering leak. And then the oil cooler is really bad as well. I mean, the temps will hit like 250 degrees if you drive it long enough, so don't really want to push it and break something, do any serious damage to it. So I just haven't been driving it, haven't been working on it. I gotta get going on this too at some point. So I know what you're saying, John, that's not the 7.3. Where is it? Let's keep looking. Hey, that's 7.3. But no, it's not it. Huh. Nope, it's gone. Sorry guys, can't find it. It's just time for something new. We gotta move on. What are you gonna do? Wait. Oh, what's that? Oh, there it is. Found it. Come on guys. Did you really think I'd get rid of it? Not gonna happen. This truck's not going anywhere. Just got the 150 to have as a daily driver. Get this thing out of the winter. I know it's got a few issues that need to be addressed, so now I don't have to fix them, don't have to put money into it right now. I really need to focus on the other trucks, get those things done, really get that crew cab done so I can sell it. Need to focus on getting that done. So yeah, so now I don't have to work on, don't have to worry about driving it, don't have to drive it in the winter, which is going to be great. No more of this garbage here. Get rid of that. No more rust, no more winter. And just have that 150 is a nice daily driver. If I'm working on this or whatever, just don't want to drive this, want to drive something nice and new, whatever. It gives me some options, and I can park this if I want to, or if I'm doing a lot of work on it. So now, doing a big project or something, I don't have to worry about getting it done and having to drive it every day. I can just drive that 150 and not have to worry about it. Not gonna be a whole lot coming out on this anytime soon. The plan is right now, get it detailed up, cleaned up real quick. I'm gonna park it in the shop here for the rest of the winter. Cover, I bought a cover for it. Yeah, park it, cover it up at least till springtime. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. I got two 6.0s, the 7.3, now the 150. You'll be able to see just about anything on this channel. So please subscribe. Like I said, I'm really trying to grow the channel, so any subscriber will help. I really appreciate you guys watching. So if anything you want to see, let me know. I'm sure I'll probably cover a lot of it. Any questions, anything specific, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the new 150. But yeah, really excited to see you get working on the trucks, see where the channel can go, and yeah, see what happens. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.